FULC stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Fulcrum Therapeutics a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I am the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And by the way, it's all documented on my YouTube channel, especially with FULC, where I just love this bullish market quite a lot. So how's that gonna look like? Well, I just get rid of all this stuff here. Okay, demand zone, like it's gonna be this whole thing here. And only if I do see the price actually pulling down and giving me that shift, then and only then I will be looking to further take it up. But like randomly buying May just not gonna be happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime here, just waiting for rules. And therefore, if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, that is, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.